Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2026 Volvo XC90 B6 Plus. This is in Denim Blue Metallic with a charcoal Nordico interior. New refreshed front end, including new Thor's Hammer active bending headlights, new crisscross grille. Let me know in the comments, do you like the new grille? This one also has the sweet 22-inch wheels. It has heated front and rear seats, heated steering wheel, integrated booster seat in the middle row. So if you forget your booster seat, no worries, it is a legal booster. And it pops down flat if you don't need it. This one is the more powerful B6, so it's a turbo and supercharged 4-cylinder engine. It is a 7-seater, but the back seats are folded down so you can see how much cargo space there is. And that second row actually folds down flat as well. It's actually 3 separate seats, so you can put the center one down and maybe have kind of a 6-seat configuration. Part of the refresh is the back lights are a little bit darker than they are in previous versions. New chiseled trim pieces, and this is the Nordico seating surface. This is the booster seat, so you can use this little handle here and pop that right up. 4-way climate control, rubber mats, panoramic sunroof with power sunshade. And the new trim extends to the front. This one has the Harman and Kardon sound system, tailored dashboard, and they've added this cloth piece in the center as well. The big news is the 11.2-inch screen. This is super fast. It's a really nice improvement over the 9-inch screen. And you twist this to the right to turn it on and turn it off. So this was a former loaner car, a service loaner, so it has some miles on it and a great discount. So 3,903 miles on it. And XC90s come standard with pilot assist. So pilot assist is the semi-autonomous drive mode. So we're driving down the highway, we use these buttons over here. If I hit that center button, that will initiate your cruise control, and then you hit the plus and minus button to set the speed, and then you can hit the arrow over button, and this little steering wheel will illuminate orange once the car has control over the steering wheel. So it's great on a long trip if you just hang your hand right here, and the car will keep you safely in between the lines on the road and at a safe distance from the car in front of you. Just fantastic on a road trip. This is your expansion button to expand the map here. And you can use Google Assistant in this car because it's a Google-based infotainment system. So you have 3 ways of doing that. You can either hit this call button, turn fan speed to 1.
Okay, changing the fan speed to 1.
Set temperature to 72 degrees.
Okay, changing the temperature to 72 degrees.
And then the third option is you can call out, "Hey Google, what's the temperature in Scarborough, Maine right now?"
The temperature in Scarborough right now is 36 degrees.
Nice. Nice showing for Maine for April. 36 degrees. Awesome. All right, so your camera is right here. 360 camera system. You can choose your options here. This is pretty sweet. When you shift into gear, this is the screen that pops up. And so you can easily maneuver and know what is around you. So this would be great for a tricky driveway or tight garage, or like if people are around or little kids, bikes in the driveway, stuff like that. You can see everywhere. And you can actually, if you hit the screen, you can go to either side. So this is the driver's side. If I want to go over there, that is the passenger side. So great for parking. Come down, check this out. This might be your next new favorite car. We are on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. This is stock number 26072, and it's available for immediate delivery. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo. I will